What's up, everyone? It's Eric with Option Edge, and today I want to show you guys something I'm looking at. It's PagerDuty. I'm actually reviewing a trade I put on the 28th of July. So on the 28th of July, we PagerDuty actually crossed above its 200-day moving average after closing just slightly below. So this historically has been a bullish trigger for this stock. So I opened up a bullish diagonal trade right about here when the stock was trading around at $41. So I did this based on historical data, and I'm going to hop over to Trade Machine here. And this is a historical data back tester that I like to use. And here's the historically over the last let's see, is this a year? Let's look at 2 years. So over the last 2 years, and let's look at 6 months. All right, so after the last 6 months, we've seen an average win of 28% for this trade. And this, to me, I think this is a good opportunity to get long on PagerDuty. So I went ahead to the options chain. And so the options we're working with are, these are the two dates we're working with, September 17th and August 20th. So let me just go back to the here. So let me just show you the strategy. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to purchase the 50 delta call that has a 60-day expiration, or the options that are closest to 60 days. And then we're going to go ahead and sell a 20 delta call with the options that are closest to the 30-day expiry. And just to go over what the bullish, and then let me go over the technical trigger for this. Technical trigger is if the stock crosses up through the 200-day moving average, which it did. I showed you that on the right here. We're showing up through the 200-day moving average on the 28th. There it is. And the stock has to be already above its exponential moving average, the 10-day exponential moving average. And it happened to be close above slightly on that day. So yeah, overall this has been a bullish trigger. So let's go back to the option chain. Back to the option chain. All right, so I ended up selling let's look at these options now. The prices have changed slightly. So now this is about almost a 30 delta because the stocks moved up, but at the time it was closer to 20. So we sold that for close to 70 cents. And then I went ahead and bought the $40 calls. And the delta has gone from, it was probably mid-50s to now mid-60s, since the stock is now, this option contract is now more in the money. So that's it. That's the bullish call in PagerDuty. I own a bunch of shares in this stock. So for me, I like to get long in stocks I have high conviction in. And PagerDuty happens to be one of those stocks. If you're enjoying this stuff, subscribe, like. As always, this is for educational purposes only. All righty, peace out.